today I'm going to take you on a tour of the Holiday Inn at Disney Springs. This is actually a Disney Resort hotel, which means you get some benefits staying here as if you would do at a Disney resort. Currently, at time of recording, what the benefits are is that you are under the umbrella of a Disney resort to make your theme park reservations, which means you have a lot more opportunity of getting the park that you want. Prior to the shutdown, you were able to get 60-day fast passes and be able to go to extra magic hours. So I guess things are probably going to change once again, but at time of recording right now, your benefits are those extra theme park reservations under the umbrella of the resort. Plus, they do have their own transportation system. It's not the same as Disney buses, but there is something here for you. So let's go inside, tour around. I'm going to show you the room, and let's go get into some hijinks. When you first walk in, to the left is your check-in and check-out area, your front desk, everything you need. They actually even have this screen here showing that the fireworks are now back. It also gives you the weather. They have a plaque of the Holiday Inn story. Across from the front desk is the lobby seating area. Lots of seating over here, and this really cool photo opportunity for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and an R2-D2, or that style droid. It's not really R2-D2, but it's an R2-D2 style droid. So super cool little photo op. This desk in the corner is for Holiday Inn Club vacations. Also over here they have some guides and maps of all like the Orlando theme parks and attractions that you could do. Over in the back you have a full service bar. You are actually provided 2 free drinks of your stay here, alcoholic or non-alcoholic. I believe it was like beer and wine. Just double check with the team members here. This is also where you can get your grab and go stuff, and you can use your free drinks on any of the drinks here as well. But we have chips here, cereal, candy, some grab and go. What is that? Like a breakfast sandwich. Coffee to go, more chips, and some ice cream. So a nice full service pantry. And you don't really need to run around town to find a bag of chips, which is really nice. Next to the bar is a pharma box where you can purchase any of the following pharmaceutical needs. Pills or sunblock, Band-Aids, feminine products, chapstick. It's great that this is here and you don't have to go find a store. In the morning, they offer coffee and tea. You have Coffee Mate sweetener for your milk. There is no other milks here, but this is really nice complimentary free coffee and tea in the morning. Next to the bar is where breakfast would normally be served, but right now they are not doing that, and you're going to order from the bar, and then you can bring it over here and eat. They're just not doing full service dining right now. And then above where you would eat your breakfast is all the tower rooms. To the right of the bar is the pool. Let's go check it out. They have some outdoor patio seating when you first walk in, some cushioned chairs over here. Food hours are from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Nice tables and lounge chairs. I love all the colors here. Back over here with this funky cool blue and pink, you can find your towels, and your restrooms are over here as well. Some poolside activities. There's some ping pong, where you throw it into the hole game. Why don't I know the name of that? But you know what I'm talking about. I really love this wall. This is super funky, great photo op. There's turf hopscotch. That's pretty cool because this is not grass, this is turf. Well, that's pretty cool. The Disney Springs Holiday Inn has tower rooms, and then they also have garden view rooms, which are a little bit cheaper. And I've stayed in both, and honestly, I don't really see much of a difference within the rooms itself. Maybe the garden rooms are a little bit smaller, but I had a good stay in both tower and garden. So if it's cheaper and you're not necessarily need to stay in the tower, I think it's a good opportunity to save a little money and still have a decent room. Still have a balcony and everything. Pool has a little splash feature to it. And like down there it has little water that comes up. Lots of room to spread out. I've stayed here multiple times, but I just never have time to go into the pool. But it actually looks like a really nice pool, and you can go in multiple spots. So there's a lot of room to hang out here. Going down the hallway next to the bar, this is the way toward the garden room elevators. Got a little meeting room here, very cute. Also this way we will be finding the arcade. Before you get to the garden room elevators, you have your fitness center and your arcade. You do need your key to get in. Here's the fitness center. We have an array of dumbbells, balls, medicine balls. You have a scale here. Water cooler that looks empty. That is empty. Oh, got some mats. We have 3 treadmills, a bike, and 2 ellipticals, plus a bench for lifting. Yeah, this is actually a pretty nice sized gym. Oh my god, you can literally watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse while you bike. This is my nephew's dreams. Okay, let's check out the game room. No? Aha, we cannot check out the game room because it is before 9 a.m. and doesn't open until 9, but I see there's a token machine and I see one little motorcycle game. Maybe there's another window to see what else is in here. There's another door to the outside by the pool over here. Maybe we can see inside the game room. This way? No, it is blocked off. Okay, but there is a game room for you, so that's always pretty cool. In the back is the parking lot, and these are the elevators to the garden rooms. And this is the first floor of the garden rooms. Okay, walking back toward the lobby area, more toward the breakfast area. Here's the elevators to the tower rooms. More Star Wars Galaxy's Edge promotion. Got some Star Wars theming in the elevators. Here's the view from the 7th floor balcony. It is so high up. All right, room 706. Here we go. Okay, so when you first walk in, you have your closet, sliding door. We have some hangers, your ironing board, and then we have some top storage above along with your safe. Here's what the other side looks like. Across from that is your bathroom. So here's the sink. They give you some hand soap. They give you a cup. They give you body lotion, shampoo, and conditioner. There's this beautiful big mirror with a light. Great vanity, great lighting in here. They also give you your towels, extra toilet paper, your hair dryer is here. We have tissues here, more towels, this cute little ice cream cone picture. We have a towel rack here, and we have behind the door, we have this also extra storage space. This is really cool. I've stayed here before and I don't think all of the rooms have this, but this room definitely does. And your tub, standard tub with a shower curtain. There is no line to hang clothes, no clothesline, but you could hang it on a hanger and hang things over the shower rack. They give you a mat and another bar of soap in here. You have a little shelf to put all your stuff. So for just like, a standard Holiday Inn bathroom, it's a pretty nice bathroom. I know some people prefer when the toilet is separate, but that is not the case here. But pretty big shower, lots of storage and hook space, and towels, lots of towels, and as many towels as you need. Obviously, just call the front desk anytime. Walking into the room, on your left, you have this really great cart. You have your Keurig, your ice bucket. You are given 2 waters per day. Well, you're not given. You are starting with 2 waters when you check in, and you go down to the lobby every day and you can get 2 more waters. For the Keurig, they have regular coffee. This is decaf coffee. I believe you can ask for more, and some hot cups. You have a microwave and a mini fridge. Oop, there we go. Actually, this is a pretty big mini fridge. This is really nice. This cart I have not seen before. Maybe since the last time I was here, they upgraded some stuff in the room. This is really nice. Next to that is your big TV with the remote, and you have the dressers. We have 6 drawers, pretty decent sized drawers. Yeah, you could fit a lot in there. And you can even have this like extra shelf space here to put stuff. Next to that is this really cute photo actually with a desk lamp, and underneath that would be your desk and a little office chair. And then after that is your full-length mirror. Hello again. The luggage rack is over here by the window. They definitely like upgraded some of these rooms because this is like a configuration I have never seen before. This room is 2 queen beds. They're not full size, they are fully queens. So it's nice, lots of good space to sleep. And I personally, even though I travel solo a lot, I love getting rooms with double beds because I can put all my stuff on one and then sleep on the other. I really like this headboard. It's very textured and it's really nice looking. Over here is the nightstand with my bottle of water and my room card, but you have your phone with every button, 0 for the front desk. You have an alarm clock, those are my headphones, and you have this nice big drawer here and some extra storage space below in the cubby. And then you also have this really nice standing lamp in the corner next to the bed by the window. We have your sheer curtains and your blackout curtains. This room does have a pool view. And a balcony. I kind of like forgot it had a balcony. When I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, a balcony. And you have some chairs out here and a table. Here is the view of the pool. It's super nice. And there's no music. It's like really late right now and there's no music, so it's nice and quiet. And you have this awesome view of Disney Springs. There's the Aerofloat. That is so great. Something I found out today, now that the fireworks are back at Disney World, you can actually see the Epcot fireworks from here, and you can kind of see the Magic Kingdom ones, but I think you can definitely see the Epcot ones better. That is how the front desk explained it to me. This is your private balcony. It's late at night and you want to just come back, sit out here, and watch the fireworks from your room. Can't really beat that. And now it's time for my favorite segment of the hotel tours, the outlet sitch. Outlets are very important. We charge a lot of things, we plug a lot of things in, and we need to know how many are in this room, and maybe if there's enough, it will get the Hijinx outlet seal of approval. So let's start counting them up. No outlets in the hallway. We're going to start then the 2 outlets that are in the bathroom. Next to the bed by the wall, we have another 2 outlets. On the nightstand, on the lamp itself, we have 1 regular outlet, 2 regular outlets, and 2 USB ports. So that's 4 altogether on the lamp. And behind it, we have 1 regular outlet and 2 USB ports. Where the standing lamp is, there is 1 outlet available. On the desk lamp, there are 2 regular outlets. And then underneath the desk is 1 additional outlet. By the TV, behind it, you have 3 regular outlets and 2 USB ports on one side, and the same on the other, 3 regular and 2 USB. And if you really need more than that, there are 2 outlets here and a USB port. Actually, the USB port is free here, but this is the refrigerator and the microwave plugged in, so or maybe the Keurig. So only if you really need it. I'm sure like they don't really want you unplugging it, but if you need it, it is there for you. I have never seen so many outlets in one room before. This is honestly amazing. There are 17 regular plug-in outlets and 9 USB ports. That's a total of 26 outlets, and that is not including where the microwave and Keurig is plugged in and that 1 plug where the standing lamp is, which is an extra 3 if you really need 29 is that how you count? 26, 27, 28, yeah, 29 outlets. I mean, wow. This is like the gold standard of outlets. It is obviously 100% getting the Hijinx outlet seal of approval. Here is the thermostat. I actually didn't touch it, but I'm glad mine was at 66 when it came in, and that's perfect for me. I don't know how you guys like it, but I like it cold in my room. Which that reminds me, I stayed at the Wyndham across the street back in December of 2019 in the garden area. This was before I started my channel, so I don't have any videos on it. But when I stayed there, it would not let my thermostat go lower than 70, which was awful for me because I really need to sleep cool. So just keep that in mind when you're planning, if you're trying to decide between which Disney Springs hotel to choose. Because, I mean, I don't know if they fixed that or not, but as of 2019 in December, I couldn't lower the Wyndham Garden ones to lower than 70, but this one I can. Now, I have stayed here a ton. I'm always very, very comfortable, but it's like a rule, you gotta plop on the hotel bed. Nice fluffy pillows. I always have a great night's sleep here. It's a standard nice bed, spring mattress, fluffy pillows, can't really go wrong. And that is the room. You know, pretty simple, but it's a nice room, great location. I think it has like a really good amount of storage between the dresser here, the little nightstand, and the closet, plus that extra little bathroom storage over here in the corner, which again, I don't remember this being in the other rooms, but I could be wrong. And I think it's just like a super nice, simple place, and it does the job for me. So let me know in the comments if the room does the job for you. Well, my dudes, that was the Holiday Inn at Disney Springs. Let me know in the comments if this is someplace you would consider staying. Let me know if you stayed here before and what you thought of it. I absolutely love staying here. I think having the benefits of the Walt Disney resorts at a little cheaper price is a really great perk. It's not for everyone, especially due to the transportation options, but I personally love it, and I want to know what you guys think of it too. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel, and follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.